Welcome to a culinary journey in 60 seconds. Today we're unlocking the secrets of the vegan Buddha bowl, a dish as nourishing as it is delicious. Imagine a cornucopia of vibrant vegetables fresh from the earth. Picture quinoa, protein-rich and nutty, simmering gently. Envision a handful of chickpeas roasting to a satisfying crunch. Now let's elevate it. A dressing that's a symphony of toasted sesame and indulgent tahini. Stirred to creamy perfection, it drizzles down, enveloping every morsel in a warm, nutty embrace. Isn't your mouth watering already? Remember, the joy of cooking is in the process as much as the plate, so why not give this a go? And if you're intrigued by the magic of plant-based cuisine, it's only the beginning. There's a world of recipes waiting for you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, savor it, and together let's make every meal a delight. Subscribe for more culinary adventures. Whet your appetite, feed your curiosity. This is your invitation to a vegan feast.